Today I'm going to make my intro video on Scratch. Today we're going to know what Scratch is about, like what is it, what is there in it, and we're going to see some sample games made on Scratch and try playing some of them. So firstly we go to scratch.mit.edu. I have it here also. Then if you don't have an account, you click on join Scratch. Never. And I already have my account and I sign in. Now I go to my, let's say, what is Scratch? Now Scratch is developed by MIT. It is a free programming language. They say it's targeted at children 8 to 16, but they don't say everyone uses it. And you can make interactive stories, animations, games, anything of that sort. There's really no limit to it. You can say, yes, you can even interact with others. You can make your own icon, profile, my stuff, account settings. Then let's say I want to create a simple animation. So as this is episode 0, I'm just going to briefly explain these blocks which I want to use. Not the complete explanation. The complete explanation will follow in future videos. So I will use this block called when the green flag clicked. This is most probably used by everyone when they're starting their project, or you'll use this. But this is what we're going to use. We are going to say when start clicked. Go to the backdrops. Choose a backdrop. Or you know what? Let's just say I want a blue backdrop. Okay. I want this. Button start clicked. Switch backdrop to backdrop 1. It's really not necessary, but it's fine. Then I will say, go here. Switch costume. Go to next costume. Control. Repeat. So basically it's going to repeat going to the next costume so many times. Say 10. Okay. So when I say that, it's going to do that. And we're going to put a weight so that, like here you saw, it goes really quick. Here I put a weight, gentle weight. Okay, this takes a long time. 0.2 should be enough. Okay. Then motion. Glide till here. Okay, and see. Let's start off here. Let's start here. Okay, that's okay. This code is not reading it, but it's fine. Yes, I glide to here. Then here's a small animation. Then start click. Go to here. And then you say hello. I am Rocky. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, I think that's the right one. Subscribe to my channel. and follow me on Twitch. And yes, guys, this is what you need to do. You need to subscribe to my channel and please follow me on Scratch. Okay? And let's see. It's gonna go here. Oh, I'm Rocky. Please subscribe to my channel and okay. Yeah. Okay. You know what? Why isn't it working? That's because here we are telling it to that is only for 2 seconds because it's too long. We'll say 5 seconds. Hello, I'm Rocky. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Scratch. And for the 5 seconds, yes, that's it. And just how many blocks does it say? Yes, with just 7 blocks, we could make it so that it goes to this costume from here to here and tell whatever we wanted to tell in just 7 blocks. So that's how you can use Scratch. And now I'm gonna show you other games you can play. I am going to play, wait a sec, not this, my stuff. I'm gonna play some of my shared projects. Okay, let's say Flappy Bird 1.0. I really like this project. This uses cloud data. We'll come to cloud data later on in the next coming tutorials. You'll need more than 49 points to beat the first part of the game. Ooh, oh yeah, okay. Yeah. I should have seen these controls. I forgot the controls for space. Look at the high score. I think that's why Princess Aurora, my teammate, I checked that. Let's play it. Let's see. If we can at least get 150. I mean 500. Ooh. 210, 225, 230, 240, 240, 250, 260. No, 275, 280, 285, 290, 300, 305, 300. Okay. So I beat the first part of the game and I'm at 315. So let's see who's the highest scorer. Let's see data. 1240 is my score. I like that. But Princess Aurora also has the same score, right? Yes, even she had the same score, but I got it because you know mine was the latest. Then